Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. We have 70 divided by 70 divided by 70 divided by 70. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Now let's solve this math expression. 70 divided by 70 equals 1 and 70 divided by 70 equals 1. Now 1 divided by 1 equals 1, but this answer is not correct. Because according to the rules of mathematics, we know that when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to solve from left to right. Now, 70 divided by 70 equals 1. 1 divided by 70 equals 1 over 70. 1 over 70. Now at the end we have 1 over 70 divided by 70. According to the KCF, that is Kipper's fraction, change division to multiplication and flip the next fraction. So according to this rule, Kipper's fraction 1 over 70, change division to multiplication and flip the next fraction. 70 over 1, 1 over 70. Now we have two fractions. Now 1 times 1 equals 1 and 70 divided by 70 equals 4900. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.